away. Pieces manifest, your first impression's got to be your very best. I see you're full of shit and that's alright. That's how you play is to get through every night. Well now that's over, I see your fantasy. You wanna make it a reality, babe, then go see inside of our heads, yeah. Well now that's over, I see your motives inside, decisions to hide.